Today, we'll show you how to use the controls on your Thermador range. Turn the oven knob to set the cooking mode, select cleaning modes, or to set your desired temperature. Ranges with double ovens feature two knobs. The knob to the right controls the right side oven, and the knob to the left controls the left side oven. You can turn off the oven at any time by turning the temperature cooking mode knob to off. This will end any cooking mode and deactivate the oven. The fast preheat feature can dramatically reduce preheat times. This feature only works with select heating modes such as bake, convection bake, roast, and convection roast. In order to use this feature, set the oven to your desired cooking mode and temperature. Press the setting button and use the arrows to navigate to fast preheat. Then press the Enter button to select Fast Preheat. Use the arrow to turn on this feature and press Enter to save this setting. If you have a steam oven, the TFT display on the left will control your warming drawer and steam oven. Steam programs can make steam cooking easy by automatically setting the oven to the optimal time and temperature. To set steam programs, first turn the knob to Steam Programs and use the arrows to select your desired program. Press Enter to make a selection and enter the food weight and other relevant choices using the arrows. Then press Enter to save your selection. Once you make a selection, you'll see recommended pans and rack levels for your steam program. You may then put the foods in the oven, pressing Enter to start the program. To turn your warming drawer on or off, first select the Drawer button. Use the arrows to choose your desired setting, low, medium, or high, and press Enter. To deactivate, press the Drawer button again. Use the arrows to select Off and press Enter. You have two different timer options you can access by selecting the Timers button: a kitchen timer and an oven timer. The kitchen timer keeps track of time and has no impact on your cooking zone. When it finishes, your oven remains on. To set the kitchen timer, press the Timers button. Use the arrows to select the desired time and press Enter. Once complete, you will hear an audible notification and see a notification on the TFT display. When using the oven timer, be sure to set the desired cooking mode and temperature first. To set the oven timer, first press the Timers button. Use the left arrows to select the oven timer. Then use the right arrows to set the desired time. When this timer runs out, an audible notification will sound. To turn off a timer earlier than the set time, simply turn off the oven. You can change the settings of your range by pressing the Settings button and using the left and right arrows. Press the Enter button to save changes or the Settings button to discard. You can scroll through to see all the settings that can be changed, including the time, language, clock format and display, fast preheat, weight format, water hardness, and more. You have the option to turn off the sound when pressing buttons by turning off key press sound. You can increase or decrease the brightness of the screen. 1 is dim and 5 is the brightest. For select ranges, you can activate dark mode for your screen, which changes the appearance of the display. This is also where you can activate or deactivate Sabbath mode, if your household observes the Sabbath. If you would like to convert a traditional oven bake time and temperature to a convection bake time and temperature, you can use the Convection Conversion function, which decreases the temperature. This feature is ideal for cookies, cakes, pies, and other baked goods. Press Settings and use the left arrows to navigate to Convection Conversion. Use the right arrows to turn this on or off, and press Enter to save the changes. If you would like to further fine-tune your cooking parameters, you can offset your temperature in 5-degree increments. Select Temperature Offset and use the arrows to choose your desired offset. Then, press the Enter button to save. If you have a steam oven, you can set your water hardness. Use the arrow keys to set your desired level, with 0 being the lowest and 4 being very hard. Then, press the Enter button to save. You can also change the weight format that the steam program uses. From Settings, select Weight Format and use the arrow keys to select pounds or kilos, then press the Enter button to save. Temporarily locking your oven's controls is useful for cleaning your touchscreen. To activate lock mode, press and hold the Timers button for 4 seconds. To reactivate, press and hold for another 4 seconds and resume use as normal.